At the end of 2016, I was just one semester away from completing my film degree. You'd have thought I'd be over the moon about this, but I was concerned, because deep down, I knew I wasn't ready for the industry. I realised that to be satisfied, I needed that portfolio of mine to be a little thicker. So, naturally, with a love for travel and a dream to somehow make it my job, I booked a one-way ticket overseas. I managed to score an internship producing videos for an English second language school, which helped me get started. And after 3 months there, I received a message from a travel brand called GlobalGemz. The timing was perfect. I was just finishing the internship and had already planned to meet 2 friends in the Philippines, Danny and Viv. In this series, you'll get to meet the 3 of us as we make our way up Palawan, an incredible island in the Philippines. A GlobalGemz episode will follow each vlog, highlighting our favourite spots in each town.
Look at me, I am dripping.
Welcome to my extra semester, the Palawan Diaries. Made it to the hotel. Here is Miss Baker.
Hello.
The classic housekeeping gag. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Can I clean your room?
Holy shit.
Can I clean your room?
Hey. Stevie, I got
Sorry for waking you up. I had to.
That's fine.
Hola. Just hopped in a van. We are on our way to Sabang, which is about 2 hours from Puerto Princesa. I took the ladies through the rough plan of attack. Let's test out. Viv,
Yes.
take us through the plan of attack for Palawan.
Oh shit. We go to Sabang, and then we stay there for 2 nights, and then we go to Port Barton.
Ooh, impressive.
Then we El Nido for a
3
few
from 3.
and then boat to Coron.
Coron, baby.
Coron for a week.
Or maybe not a week, but
Okay.
yeah. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there. Peace out, amigos. We will check in Sabang. Hey boss, can I please order 1 coconut?
Yes, 1 coconut coming up right now, chef. One day soon, Steve. No, I'm joking.
Cheeky cameraman. Alright, she's warming up. Give her a minute. She's got to do her stretches. Ready to go. Here we go. Primo conditions here in Sabang. checking out the coastline of Sabang. About a 30-minute stroll from the backpackers. Trying to find ourselves a little waterfall. Whoa! Give us an hola, chicas.
Hola!
You would have seen. I've got my poop warner ahead of me. Good job. Oh, that's bad, boy. We are heading to the mouth of the cave, which we actually went into yesterday. We cruised through on a small boat. It's the underground river. We're gonna go to the mouth the other side. Yeah, it's pretty epic here. So I gave the 20-minute estimate about 40 minutes ago. We've hit some pretty dense jungle here.
Some pretty gnarly rocks.
There's some gnarly rocks as well. So we've just ascended the last cliff. Can't really see, but we're pretty high up. One last little effort. Wow, there it is. Holy moly.
Stevie, I think you should do a pan from behind this tree.
This is my boss.